Guys, this is crazy. If you see this right now, you better see this. You know, for me it's closer, but for you it's harder. Yeah, that's what it looked like for my vision. So I'm gonna put it always on 3.3. This is my vision right now. Actually, yeah, it doesn't have my view, but it has the same size. Right? This is where I am. Everything's more different. Right now that's closer, but over here is Mount Makiling. That mountain right over there, that's Mount Mary Makiling or Mount Makiling. There's my mom. I mean, that's my baby. How is that so perfect? And over there, Mama, say hi! And there are some houses over there I've never go to. It's so nice. Well, hi. We're quite close to our end here. We can't go too far. And my mom said we're gonna go camping here and even have a picnic. And I'm gonna see if those survival hacks are true. Andre, no. No, Andre, it's dangerous. Ewy. So that's it, guys, for this video. But all I can say is to you is dirt.